This is Michael Jackson, This Is It, two CDs and a booklet that comes with it. Just gonna show you what it looks like inside. There's loads of pictures and illustrations from his making tour, This Is It, that never happened. Hello everyone! So today's video is gonna be slightly different. I'm gonna be talking about Michael Jackson and the perfumes. Why Michael Jackson? Because I have got loads of subscribers on my channel who are fan of Michael Jackson. There is a reason for it, but I'm not gonna get into it too much now. I think I may mention something at the end of the video if I have the time. And the perfumes, it's because I really love perfumes and I thought I'm gonna combine these two together and just make a video about this. I used to be also a very big fan of Michael Jackson. I've got I think I've got all of his original albums. I've got This Is It. I've got more albums on the shelf. I've got This Is It. I don't know if you ever saw this. I'm sure all of Michael Jackson's fans have seen it. There you go. It's CD. There's another CD. So that's his booklet to the This Is It song. I know people have got different opinions about Michael Jackson at this times, but I think if the artist is great, it's just gonna stay great. It's like a Mozart. If the Mozart makes good music, then his music is always gonna be good, isn't it? That's This Is It. Blood on the dance floor, and that's Michael Jackson bed. Anyways, that's just like a little bit about it, and let's get into it. So today we're gonna talk about Michael Jackson's favorite perfumes and what he was wearing, and you will see that most of these perfumes had a similar vibe. He liked loads of like warm and spicy perfumes that would be like for winter and evenings, and there are some like for summer. I would say loads of these perfumes I would wear myself. He had very good taste. First perfume will be his signature scent perfume, and it's Belle à Versailles. I don't speak French, so sorry for my pronunciation. And it's his signature scent. To this scent introduced him Elizabeth Taylor, and he was wearing it all the time then. This perfume is quite warm and spicy. It's balsamic, powdery, musky, animalic, and the flanker is in a rounded shape, and I wouldn't be surprised if he was inspired by this flanker to do his own fragrance, because he made his own fragrance as well. So it seems like they're very similar flankers, so I wouldn't be surprised if he was inspired by this flanker to do his own fragrance. This fragrance is for women, so it's surprising, but I think you know, some women fragrances, they have got like unisex vibes, so this one is one of them. The top notes in this fragrance is rosemary, orange blossom, mandarin, orange, cassia, rose, neroli, bergamot, Bulgarian rose and lemon. And the middle notes are sandalwood, patchouli, orris root, vetiver, ylang ylang and leather. In the base we've got tolu balm, amber, vanilla, musk, benzoin, civet and resin. This scent is very old. It was made in 1962. Yeah, it's oldie but goodie, but yeah, I'm sure there have been loads of reformulations. You can still get it on eBay. It's got lovely powdery vibe. It's quite warm in a dry down, and yeah, so that was Michael Jackson's favorite scent and signature scent. Next one is Black Orchid. Michael Jackson was wearing Black Orchid. Loads of people wear it these times, and it's very popular. He knew what's good. It's also unisex fragrance, Black Orchid, and he wore Black Orchid especially because it was close to Bal à Versailles, so it reminded him of that. Black Orchid is very intoxicating, powerful, very rich, deep scent. It's got blackcurrant in it, obviously Black Orchid. It's very spicy, spices of patchouli, sandalwood, incense, dark chocolate, vetiver, balsam, vanilla. There are some flowers on the top, jasmine, ylang ylang. This scent is very sensual and rich and luxurious. It lasts very long time as well. It's warm and spicy, it lasts a long time, it's timeless, it's woody, balsamic, it's very rich and people love it. So that was second Michael Jackson's favorite. The next one will be from Creed, that's called Royal Water. It's also unisex. This one is more for summer. The first two fragrances were for winter and like for evenings. This one from Creed, Royal Water, is for summer, and it's for day or for spring, and it's very fresh, spicy, aromatic, clean, crispy, green, citrusy. Notes in there are peppermint, juniper, berries, and they are shine through in this fragrance. Basil, citruses, so you can tell it's very fresh and citrusy. Then there is musk and amber. It's very nice, complex. It's very fresh, quite long lasting for considering it's a summer fragrance. I think this fragrance is very underrated. He knew what is good, and yes, it does smell amazing. It's got very good reviews as well, and it is a little bit underrated. You don't hear people talking about this fragrance a lot. The next one Michael Jackson was wearing will be Calvin Klein Obsession. It's also quite well known. It's very old fragrance. It was made in 1985. Michael Jackson was wearing it in middle 80s. It's very balsamic, woody, spicy. It's got same vibe like first two fragrances like Black Orchid and Bal à Versailles. It's warm and spicy and powdery. And this fragrance is actually for women, but like I said, sometimes you can pull it off, you know, even some men can pull it off. Top notes in there are vanilla, green notes, mandarin, orange, peach, basil, bergamot and lemon. So at the beginning it's quite fresh. Middle notes are coriander, spices, sandalwood, orange, jasmine, oak moss, cedar, musk. Base notes are amber, civet, vanilla, vetiver and incense. And this fragrance was made in 1985, so it's oldie but goodie. And the last one we're gonna talk about will be Allure Pour Homme by Chanel, and this one is for men. It was made by Chanel in 1999, so it's also old one, and it's very citrusy, aromatic, balsamic, woody, warm, spicy. The top notes in Allure Pour Homme Chanel are mandarin, lemon, peach, bergamot. Middle notes are freesia, geranium, jasmine and rose. Base notes are benzoin, tonka bean, sandalwood and vanilla. It's very mature and classy, and it's like for confident men. And this one is like masterpiece. So that covers all fragrances that Michael Jackson was wearing. If you liked my video, please give me a likes, and yeah, comment down below. Most of Michael Jackson subscribers already subscribed, so thank you for watching. And See you soon. Bye!